for stopping by Pete's Garage. Now today we are going to learn how to install Nutserts, also known as Rivnuts or Rivet nuts. Rivnuts or Nutserts are a great way to install threads where the base material is too thin, cannot be tapped, or the backside is inaccessible to install a regular nut. They are available in a large range of sizes and materials like steel, stainless steel, and aluminum. SAE sizes range from 632 to 3816 and metric from N4 to M10. They also come in a variety of grip ranges, that is the thickness of the material they will grip into. To install them, you will need an installation tool. They come as cheap as $6 for a simple hand tool, but can go up in duty and strength to large mechanical, battery operated, or air operated tools for industrial applications. So the latch for the hood goes in these two holes here. And when I originally put this on, I put some sheet metal screws in here to hold it, and obviously they stripped out because it's not really going to hold in the fiberglass. So I want to put my Nutserts in these two holes. First, let's install one in this thin metal tube so you can see what they look like. I'm just going to drill the hole to a rough size to get it started. Next, I'm going to take my Nutsert and I'm going to measure with a set of calipers so I know exactly what size drill I have to put in. You don't want to over drill the hole because it'll slide through, so you need to measure to get the right drill for the Nutsert. And this drill looks like it'll fit just perfectly. A quick test fit shows I need to open up the hole up just a little bit. Now we see the riv nut fits nice in the hole, and I can install it on my tool and put it in the hole. Using a couple wrenches, I will start to tighten it up, and you can see as the riv nut starts to pull up and the metal collapses around the hole, it'll stop moving and it'll tighten up. It'll compress around the sheet metal and tighten up and stop moving, and now it's gripped in place. Now all I have to do is remove the tool from the sheet metal. And there we have an installed riv nut. Nice threads installed in a thin wall piece of sheet metal to give me lots of grip strength. So now let's install them in the hood. So there you have our riv nut or Nutsert installation. These things work really awesome when you have a thin piece of material and you need some robust threads for some real serious grip strength. If you haven't already, please click on the subscribe button so we can all learn together. Thanks for stopping by Pete's Garage.